So today we are in the Kansas City West Bottoms, the historic West Bottoms. It's pretty nice out, not gonna lie. I mean, just look at the sunset. Probably want to go on that street corner shooting across the street. If I could like compress it so it's like at an angle where it's full to the frame while also just looking nice.
Yes, science!
What if I go, let me see here. Carlo Z?
Yeah.
Hey, hell yeah. How's the day?
Good, man.
You playing tonight?
Yeah, no. I'm playing tomorrow for a little bit.
Nice. Hell yeah. What do they got going on? I was just out shooting.
Yeah, no, it's Can't Bump Cult tonight, and then just like a couple of our friends, so it's like...
Nice. I actually haven't been inside before. Like, I've heard a lot about it. I hear it's a vibe.
Yeah,
but I actually haven't been in, so.
Haven't been inside? Well, honestly, it's open for free until 10, so...
Oh, really?
Just slide through.
Hell
yeah,
yeah,
if you
dude.
guys want to pop in and see it, it's pretty
Yeah,
cool.
I'll have to see what we're up to, but yeah, I appreciate you, man. Take it easy. Yeah, he's a DJ.
Okay. Is that like a club or something? What is that place?
The Lowest Ferns, yeah. So, I'm trying to remember. It's like a venue, but also they have like, I think yoga. Yeah, it's mainly like venues and shows, and I think they sponsor certain shoots or something. Yeah, let's get this truck. That thing's sick. I wonder if it's like... Damn. That's cool. I wonder if these mirrors actually work. It's kind of broken, but cool. Huh. Have you been over here really?
Mostly at night when I was working.
Where at?
McCobb. It's right under the bridge.
Oh yeah, at the haunted house. I thought you meant like lately. Because that was at the, when you were...
No, I was working on
Good Morning Vietnam.
Good morning, Vietnam!
Dude, like the architecture back in the day, like, jeez, that horn. But you want to mess with the camera? Yeah, I hear it bump the, so then you can see what you're looking at. Holy Christ, that thing is loud. Here, 1 second. Dude. I'm like trying to find all my pockets.
No, man, stop it!
But I got a pretty cool one of the moon. Oh, and the birds. The birds.
The bird machine.
Oh, where'd the moon go? Oh, it's behind the clouds. What if I gotta get a good. Nice. Maybe there. Road closed. It's all blurry, but we're like on the go. That's kind of cool with the It is different having someone else film it.
It's kind of odd, huh?
Ooh. Start.
You did it! Congratulations!
It's kind of interesting. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Probably get on this one. Nice.
Holy, there's all kinds of people coming down here right now.
What's up?
I said, holy, there's a lot of people coming down here right now.
What?
I said, there's a lot of people coming down here right now.
Oh.
It was like completely empty, and then all of a sudden it was a whole bunch of people.
I was like, huh? I'm going deaf. Get super low, I guess. Have to be like right on the water. Oh my god. All right, I think that's enough. It's getting kind of dark, but not too dark. It's gonna be so random. Can I see the camera for a bit?
Yeah.
Let's see. So let's see.
I think you're gonna have fun watching that later.
Yeah, I'm curious. I'm like, what did Adam film? Huh. So, at the confluence of Missouri and Kansas Kaw rivers, on the Great Bend of Missouri, longest of the U.S. rivers, was first incorporated in 1850 as the town of Kansas. So this was OG Kansas.
Apparently.
So the first white man known to have viewed this magnificent location was the French explorer de Bourgmond, 1714.
I think it's de Bergmond.
De Bergmond?
De Bergmond.
De Bergmond.
I did not realize that you were so cultured.
Ain't that weird? OG Kansas is in Missouri. Ain't that life? It's like right when you think you know, you don't. Yeah. Or what if I get like...
That's dope.
Yeah, I think if I flip that, it'll be cool. Well, here we are. That's kind of cool. Well, you want to take pictures of the train?
I don't see why not.
Yeah. Ooh, ah. All right. Here you go. Adam camera. Huh. What if it's... That's kind of cool. It got a little bit of blur on it, so you can see the... I guess I could do a vertical. Huh. Not as cool. Damn. Should I hold on to it? Okay. Nice. That's it. That's the sauce. Yeah, this lens just looks so much better than that 10 to whatever the... What if we go... Come on. That one kind of works. It like lines up with the window a little bit. What if we're down here? The headlights actually look kind of sick. Stop. I like that. That's funny. 11th and Hickory. Actually, I'm gonna take a picture of that.
I kind of want to get 2 GoPros, so that way I can have chest mount and you can have chest mount, and then we can have one to pass between us. Because then you got more stuff to work with.
More angles. That would be handy, because we would just be like, bop, bop, bop.
And then you could change it according to conversation, depending on who just happens to be looking at who at that point in time.
Yeah. The Lowest Ferns.
No matter what you.
No matter what you. I wonder where that name comes from. No matter. Dope. Oh, that'd be kind of cool if I got the arrow pointing to West Bottoms. It's an interesting idea, but I don't know if it's like ideal execution. So I guess that's end of session, I don't know, however many. I think that I'll keep it rolling with what we're up to in Kansas City, taking pictures, and stay tuned for more stuff. And yeah, peace out.